Ito ang aming napakagandang English teacher, si Ma'am Geneva.
Ay, hindi naman yung record.
Ha?
Okay, halika na. Wala akong pagkain.
Ano po yan, paano po yan, yung experience niyo po, pagtuturo ng mga, future literary scholars?
Ayos lang din, yung mga estudyante lang talaga. Ano talaga yan? Video talaga yan?
Ako, ma'am. Yan, o. Ma'am, o.
Malabo.
Malabo. Pero may
Okay,
audio.
number 1. Map.
Map.
Number 5.
Number 5.
May nakasit. Yung mga row. Ano nga tawag doon?
Table.
Table.
Yay, table.
Dali lang naman. Number 7. Teacher. Bakit kailangan natin ng table?
Para makasulat.
Table yun.
Ano pa?
Number 11. Which textual aid is a visual representation of selected characteristics of a place usually drawn on a flat surface.
Flat surface.
Direksyon. Diba?
Map. Flat.
Oh.
Word of flat.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Ni Alex.
Oh.
Yung modal verb significant
Mamala lang ako sa'yo.
obligation.
Different.
Ha?
Even, neither one of them have.
Neither.
Niger.
Either.
Niger. Ma'am,
Niger.
what naging Niger?
Niger.
Ma'am.
Siya naman nag-iisa eh.
Racist.
May post. Number 2.
End yan, end.
End.
Ano yan?
End.
Eversnel ay.
Sabi na eh.
Saka nang tumugsag.
Ayo.
Number 4.
Ma'am, what end? Ba't mali yung end?
Nor.
Ay.
Yeah.
Nor.
Specific and reasonable. Pacific. Ocean.
Specific.
Pacific. No?
Pasito naman yan eh.
Forward kayo sa F.
Fuck.
Formal.
Fuck.
Fluency.
Fluency.
Fluence.
Next.
Tao ba?
Diba ang
Tao.
office, may it,
Bahay.
ing,
Kubo.
SES.
Wala na agad yung English.
We're so cool.
Wala na agad yung English.
We so cool.
Ay, and it is a practice focused on care and specific terms. Okay? Okay, next na. What do you call the tools that show in different forms and their main object is to help readers have a clear meaning of the text? A. Guide question. B. Textual aid. C. Operational definition.
Reason.
Reason.
Oo, tama.
Chloe closing Chloe. Abbreviate, right? Emphasize the views and make reader reflect about it.
Expressive writing.
Ano letter mo?
Kunin mo yung papel niyan.
Bangko na ako.
Tingin at tingin eh.
Gian, bangko na ako.
Nakita sila.
This
Tatago
essential
ka na eh,
to the
sinagot
plan.
ko eh.
Essential to the plan.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Conflict.
What is
Citing part.
Climax.
Climax.
The main character.
Protagonist.
Protagonist.
Antagonist.
Protagonist.
Next.
Pro-antagonist.
refers to the
Calling
perspective,
action. Ay.
character,
Point of view.
Character. Criticism approach, analysis. First, comprehensive. Next, writer review, personality and reputation.
Ano comparison?
Ang sabi mo?
Comparison.
Compare.
Doon sa chair moving.
Personality of character.
Characterization.
Characterization.
Oo, diba?
Write the story for a